A very good evening, all of you. This is Safras Alabdin. Today, I thought of discussing with you about literature. If we commonly talk about literature, it's a source of consolation. According to my point of view, as most of the others say, literature is the mirror of the society. So it reflects the society. It is a kind of portrayal of the society. We have read and we have enjoyed a lot of books, we have watched a lot of dramas, we have enjoyed a lot of movies in our lifetime. So almost all these products are under the category of literature. So almost all these things discuss about human feelings, about the tragedies, about the pathetic situations, about the reality of human beings. Whenever the topic literature comes up, I always tend to talk about that because I am so eager on literature. Especially if we talk about English literature, it is universal. Universal themes are there. Almost all the globe is included into English literature because from almost all the countries, from every nook and corner of the world, there are writers. They are writing on literature. They are writing poetry. They are producing films or movies, and a lot of dramas we can watch, and a lot of dramas have been written, novels, and many more. Almost all these things are related to human feelings. If somebody writes something, that piece of writing is reflecting a person's inner mind, the deeper mind, or the deeper heart. So, sometimes some people say that English literature or literature, it is just exaggerating things. It's not talking about reality, just like that. I have heard, and sometimes I feel that yes, these people have to know a lot about literature. Because of their lack of knowledge on that, they are talking like that. Actually, if you go deeper into literature, if you just study at least a poem, you can understand very well that it is talking about the reality. It's talking about human feelings. It's talking about the tragedies. It's talking about poverty, the happiness of the people, and sorrows. Almost all these things are included. So, to be a very real human, just as we follow our religious activities, according to my point of view, this literature is a source of something to be followed continuously, constantly in our life. So, thank you so much for listening to my ideas. Bye.